We've got another call for one out by Israel Canyon. He came out to do some shooting and got stuck, so almost to him. Stop and see if Caleb was on his way out. He was going to meet me out here. I think he's still in American Fork, so I'll probably just run up and do this one real quick. It doesn't look like it's very bad, but film what I can by myself and see how it turns out. GPS thought it was on that other little road to the right. I have arrived. Sweet. My ship came in. I don't see anybody here with it. Guess we'll check it out. Well, I don't see anybody, so I guess I will start making phone calls, find out where this guy is. Doesn't look too bad. Being a two-wheel drive, he got pretty far. This stuff about 1.5 feet deep or so. Not horrible. Let's see. Oh, we got a recovery point right there. Perfect. Okay, it looks like you've got a good recovery point in the front there, just under the front bumper. So
perfect. I'll
pull around you to the front and we'll hook up a strap.
Cool.
And then probably just turn and go right around this field around right here and right back over to the road.
All right, that sounds good. If you don't mind, we got a couple bags.
Yeah.
Just right there. I'm gonna run and get it.
No problem. Take your time. Right. No big deal. I will get up in front and get all hooked up.
Perfect. Thank you.
I think we'll use the bright green one. It'll be a good length. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll just go until the road has the big parking lot right over there. Not that one, but probably the next one. Okay. And unless you feel like once we're heading downhill, you're good.
I would hope so. We made it uphill that way.
Yeah. All right. Maybe we'll just get over to that parking lot there then. Okay. Get you pointed downhill, and then we'll look and see how it does. And I'll just follow you out.
All right. That sounds good.
Okay. That worked out nice and easy.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see how she does. That's a remarkable vehicle you got there.
Yeah, it's pretty capable.
Jeez.
It's got the low gears for the bigger tires and off-road crawling, and lockers front and rear.
Wow.
That are selectable. I can turn them on and off.
Is this a V6?
It's an inline 6.
Inline 6?
And the Toyota was good to stick with the inline 6 because they're torquey. They have less horsepower, but a lot more torque.
That's what you
So
need.
it's got that pulling power. So I'll just pull over, let you go by, and then I'll follow you out down to the parking lot.
We'll see how she does.
Okay, sounds good. Beautiful view. Snow-covered mountains over on the other side of the lake. Very nice.
All right, so I got a call this morning about 9 o'clock on Sunday. That guy was stuck in a gravel pit. He's out working, and he's got a 1.5 ton truck. I'm actually not sure what he was doing in there, but the front end fell in a hole, he said. He sent some pictures. It looks like a pretty heavy truck. I called Ben. He's gonna meet us out there. I jumped in the diesel because being a heavy truck, I thought maybe the two 12,000-pound winches and the weight and power that the diesel has might help us today. We're headed out there right now and see what we can do to help this guy. Hopefully get him back on the road in a timely manner. And I guess he tried putting a 2-ton jack on a grate, slide it under the front to try to get the front end up out of the hole. We'll see what we got to deal with when we get there, and hopefully it'll make a good footage.
It's a pooper taker.
It's a pooper pumper? No, I don't want to hook up to a pooper pumper.
It's a pooper pumper. It's a pooper pumper. I'm pretty sure they don't want to be pulled forward.
Just looking without getting muddy. Yeah, I've been looking for him and calling him. I can't get a hold of him.
Yeah, well, here I am. I'm not a part of the company or anything, so.
Do you know where he's at?
He went back down that way.
Just this way?
Yeah, if you follow that road out, it'll take you to another entrance. Is that how you came in?
I came in from over there.
Yeah, so he can't
Pin drop he sent me was that house. And so I saw the truck from the house, but when I saw someone over, I was like, oh, I'm gonna go talk to them.
Yeah, he's just right down.
Just right over here, okay. I'll go grab him.
Well, that's my stuff, by the way.
Thanks. It gets the job done.
Yeah, for sure.
case you missed it on the video, we were just checking what this bumper's hooked to. Solidly welded, it's braced. It's got supports here, 4 big bolts here, and a brace. So I think this is going to be plenty strong and stable. Where'd she go?
You want her?
There she is. Do you want to drive, or would you rather have me drive? Okay. Go ahead and run both winches and I'll drive. Yeah, I figured. It's just a soft spot. You don't want to hang on to my winch, do you? Yep. I wonder if they make a wireless remote for that 16.5 more. Probably. Do you want to just continue or hook them on? He's going to drive her out. Definitely want to make sure. I can give you a ride through the mud if you want.
Oh, you're good. Thanks. It's so mucky right back. I'm going to sink again, man. You guys are awesome. See ya.
You want to walk up on the high stuff, or you want me to come get you, boss?
Just go through. Come on.